She is dirty. See the mirror caps on it. Man, this car need a wash bad. We just dealt with freezing rain last night. That was crazy. Well, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I thought I'd just put another POV drive in there for y'all. And probably just get a wash. That's it. Sheesh. I know y'all see the semi-Christmas tree in there. Yeah. I already know. My tires, yeah. But yeah. Tires crazy. Just wanted to... I might get a car wash. I might just drive back. I don't know. I mean, since we kind of over by the car wash, you know, wrong getting a car wash, get this salt off my car. Not gonna do too much, man, because I do feel like my rear left tire has a hole in it because it's been leaking like crazy. Like every day it gets down to like 18 or below. Yeah, so y'all might be like, oh, why don't you just go to Discount Tire or somewhere, or go somewhere just to get it patched? Bro, tell me why I lost my wheel lock key again. I've lost like 3 wheel lock keys. I don't know how. Okay, the first like 3 times, I know it sounds crazy. The first 3 times, it was my fault. This time, bro, it's not my fault. I swear, I know I put it in my trunk somewhere where it would stay in one spot. I don't know what happened to it. I really feel like somebody took my wheel lock key and never put it back. So now I gotta wait for another wheel lock key. It's in the mail. It was supposed to be delivered on Tuesday, but didn't come. And now it's late. Now it's Thursday, and I still ain't got it. Don't understand why. But it is what it is. God's good. Man, I almost forgot, man. I didn't even start this video to write, man. I'm supposed to be like, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope y'all staying blessed. I hope y'all still praying. I hope today is a good day for y'all. I hope every day from now on is a good day for y'all. What is going on here? But yeah, man. Just thought I'd bring out another POV drive content. It's not that exciting lately because, I mean, like, it's cold outside. It's nothing really to do. There's some car shows that are out there that I can go to or whatever, but let me go this way. But these car shows are always when I'm working. That's why I need like a first shift job, man. Everything be happening later on in the day, like 7, 8 o'clock, and it's like I can't even go to it because I'm at work. But hey, man, it is what it is. Trying to get in what I can. Bro, this traffic. All these trucks, bro. How are we going this slow, bro? It's like a 50-mile-an-hour road. We going 32. Oh, that truck's probably going faster now. Yep. At least I thought he was. Bro, don't let me play myself again. Come on, truck. Yeah, man, but before I started even recording this video, I had gotten pulled over. They caught me for tint and expired plates. Yeah, I know I need to pay for those. But yeah, I just told the cop, I was like, Cause she asked me, she's like, why do you got the tint on there? Have you gotten pulled over for it before? I'm just like, yeah. I'm pretty sure she already know that. And she was like, so why do you still have it on there? I'm like, that's no excuse. I always be telling people, or telling cops, I'll be saying money issues. They seem like they more chill when you say that to them. But she let me go. She didn't even give me a warning or nothing. She was just like, since you were chill and honest, and because every time if y'all get pulled, if y'all have a bunch of tint, if y'all have dark tint, y'all get pulled over, always put all your windows down. It makes them feel safer. It makes them it makes the stop just way better. Because if they feel safe, feel like you ain't got nothing to hide, then it's less likely for anything to go down. So I always do that, and I got out of a ticket. So yeah. Oh man, I ain't gonna lie. It'd be nice to get another car, a different car, like a Beamer. It was funny because actually my dealership where I bought this car from, they called me up. Well, I sent them the voicemail. I didn't even know it was them, but they left a message saying, "Hey, we know you bought this car in 2021, and we're in need of used cars, so come down and get an appraisal." So shoot, I might just do that. I might do that for a video so we can check out some cars. But we gonna see what's up. Washio. Oh man, it's 12:19. I gotta go to work in like an hour. I'm waiting for a package in the mail, man. Hopefully it comes before I get to work. I'll order some clothes. Let's see. Right, time to get that car washed. Why this thing going up so slow? If it comes slamming down on my car, y'all gonna see it. Let me focus. There we go. My sunroof. I almost forgot. All right, we got that little. All right, we just finished the wash. Hopefully, my car is somewhat decently clean. I need to start getting hand washes again. I haven't had a hand wash in this car since like last summer. Yeah, I just need to get all that salt off. Oh, spinning a little bit. Bro, I need to charge my phone. I'm at 20%. Oh, the dip. That's where I need to find. I need to start finding where all the carb meats is at again, bro. Cause I know it's cold out, but there'll still be some type of meats here and there. Coming. Dang, man, it's already almost time for me to go to work. I gotta leave for work in an hour. I'm ready for a vacation, bro. I will be off next week. Well, not off next week, but Thursday and Friday I'm gonna have off. Thursday and then Valentine's Day. I'm probably gonna record us going out because I am going to the Chicago Auto Show. Chicago Auto Show is like, it ain't exactly what it used to be. Now they more strict. Less cars, but my fiance had fun last time that we went, so we gonna go again. Might be able to drive some cars again this year. Just trying to see what there is this year. Look at Charlie. He was looking at my car. But yeah, this ain't gonna be the longest POV drive, but I was like, why not just make a video? Keep it pushing, keep it going. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have videos for next week. It's gonna be more fun. It's like I wanna buy stuff for the car and install stuff on the car, but it's just like too cold out here, bro. Like it's 32 out, which ain't too bad, but it's like, man, it's still cold out here. You know, last video was me installing these mirror caps, which fit pretty decent. I like them. BMW style. I was really hoping they wouldn't move around in the car wash, which they didn't. They look pretty good. They basically snapped on there, so that's pretty good. Dang. These people going slow. Look at this guy. That truck is about to hit that car. I'm not looking forward to going to work, but I'm glad I got a job. You gotta be grateful for what you got. Can't even really push it nowhere because it's traffic. Like I keep checking my tire pressure, man, because it's constantly going down. Where's my wheel lock key, y'all? Well, I hope UPS delivers my package within like the next 40, 30, let's shoot, at least by 1 o'clock. Cause I'm trying to test out. I'm trying to see my clothes and see how it looks, how it feels, how I fit in it. I like buying clothes in person more than online, but it is what it is. Cause you never know. It will be your size, but it can fit different. Boop, 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 boop. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. What are you doing? Hey, y'all, I have it on 0.5 mode. So it might look like people are more farther away, but then this is regular mode right here. I only do it in that mode so you guys can see more of everything. Like, boom. I do want to get a mount that like goes like this. Have a mount like this. So then y'all can see everything and I don't have to, you know, record it like that. Probably gonna go to Walmart right now to get some milk. But y'all, I'm in a rush to hurry up and go to the store and go home. So this is gonna be the end of this video. I know it's not the longest video and not the most entertaining video, but I still wanted to talk to you guys, still make a video. It's not the most interesting, but hey, we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. So I hope y'all still staying blessed. Hope y'all still praying. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, y'all. Love y'all.